So just a little disclaimer for you guys. Some of the clips in the video, well, let's just say I'm using my phone, so I can't actually see what the fuck I'm doing. Some of the clips, my head's cut off, the jeans are a bit cut off, but overall, you can tell what I'm doing. When I lay the jeans out on my desk, you can see what I did. But yeah, just a little disclaimer for that. What is going on, you guys? My name is Jeff Carandang, and before we get started, I just want to thank you for tuning into today's video. I really do appreciate you. Now, my guys, summer is coming up quick. Summer is fast approaching. We're more than halfway through May, and you know, it's only a matter of time until that sun, that heat, that weather starts becoming more consistent. And honestly, I cannot wait. This year I feel like has been an absolute shit show, and you know, things are starting to open back up now. It's honestly really exciting, and knowing that summer might not be canceled it's motivating me right now. And yeah, so with that being said, obviously the summer heat, the beaches are gonna hopefully reopen. We'll see, I guess. And it's just gonna be great. Now, if you guys have been kind of worrying about what your summer fits are gonna look like, what kind of clothing you guys should be wearing, don't worry, I got you guys covered, all right? So today, I'm gonna give you guys a little life hack, a little DIY type of thing that you can do. And that's gonna be turning your jeans into jean shorts. Now, kind of random, kind of weird, you know, I feel like it's not a huge thing that a lot of guys do, and just shorts in general. I don't know about you, but me personally, I have not always been a big fan of wearing shorts, mostly because of my legs. But you know, we've been squatting, we've been putting in the work, and yeah, I'm not so shy about the leg gains. So that's why today I'm going to be taking you guys through a little DIY jean short life hack routine. All right. Alrighty guys, so first off, I just want to introduce you to my imaginary girlfriend. Love you, babe. You're so supportive. Huh. she's not imaginary, just so you guys know. Anyways, DIY jeans life hack, jean shorts, jeans to jean shorts. What am I doing? Jeans to jean shorts. Got two pairs of jeans here that I don't really wear. The fit of them is not what I like in a jean, so I'm gonna turn these bad boys into some jean shorts. And yeah, let's get started. So obviously you're gonna need a pair of jeans. No shit, Jeff. Yes, as you can see, these are nice light wash. They are distressed. Big rip in this knee, which I don't really like because my knee jams through it, and it feels like, I don't know, I just don't really like it. So to start, what you're gonna want to do is flip your jeans inside out. Pretty simple, right? Easy enough, Jeff, easy enough. We can all do that. All right, so you're gonna flip these bad boys inside out. Then you're going to put them on. All right, these actually fit better than I remember. Yeah, so they're inside out. Now what you're gonna want to do is grab a pen, pencil, Sharpie, whatever you need. Does this work? Yeah. All right, I'm actually just gonna be using a fine line Sharpie. So, first step, figure out where you want your jeans to be cut. You want them above the knee, nothing below the knee, guys. Like, it's 2020, all right? You got to show some leg. So my ideal cut is probably about 1 inch, maybe even a ½ inch above the knee, because what I like to do with my jeans, and honestly with all my pants in general, give them a nice little roll at the top. So yeah, you can measure it out, you can guess, eyeball it. You just want to make one little dot. So like I said, 1 inch above the knee. So I'm gonna say with a straight leg here, right? I'm gonna say right about there. That's not 1 inch above the knee, Jeff. What the frick? So this is my kneecap right here. So we're just gonna approximate it about there. Looks good. All right, let's pop these bad boys off and get to work. This is my little setup I got going on. My sister lets me use her ring light. Got a mirror so that I can see what the hell my camera is doing. The outdoors. Pretty girlfriend. Empty whiteboard. And yeah, so this is my video setup. I think I'm gonna stick with it for a bit because the lighting, I fucks with the lighting. But yeah, back to the video. Yeah, I figured I should probably clean the mirror before I show you guys it. Okay, so we got our jeans laid out. We're gonna make sure that these bad boys are nice and flat. So what you want to do, you're gonna line these two lines up so you could get literally anything. Shit. Man down. Did I start recording? I don't even remember. Good, I did. Okay. I'm gonna use a Converse box. Now what I'm gonna do, because I measured on my body, I'm gonna go a little bit below the line and draw another line. And with this line, I'm gonna draw all the way across the leg. I'm doing that because I wanna make it as even as possible, obviously. And if you cut too much, you can't put it back on. So it's better to cut less and have to do a little bit more at the end. So we're gonna find that line and we're gonna go a little bit below it here. Line straight across, a little bit. Boom, super easy. So you guys see we've got that line all the way across here. All right, so our next step is you wanna just grab a pair of scissors. You want them to be sharp. These are new, I've never actually used them, so I'm hoping that they're not shit. Super easy, you drew the line. Now you want to cut it across the line. And here's a little life hack on top of the life hack. Cut above, like literally on the line, but above it, so that when you're cutting it off, it cuts the black line off, if that makes sense. Oh shit, these are good scissors. Cutting right through it. All right, here we go. There's no going back. Make the line straight. Boom, boom. Sir. And again. These are our jean shorts. They don't look half bad. Let's flip these bad boys inside out, or back inside, I guess. Alrighty guys, so boom. Final product. They don't look too bad, to be honest. Nice clean cut, kind of. Give them a little try on here. Okay, Jeff. Okay. Bit high on the inner leg here, but nothing a little roll can't fix. Am I right? So we'll just do a little. Honestly, I like a little leg in there. Boom, we got one roll, a little two roll. All right, guys, so yes, sir. So we got the jeans, we got them cut, we got them rolled. They're looking good. Realized in the last clip that I showed, you couldn't see anything. You can see my head, you can see the jeans. So this is the jeans. These are done. These are cut. These are rolled. Yeah. We did it. Super easy. Give it a try. Honestly, it's hard to fuck this up. All right, super easy. You need no crafting skill at all. Draw a line, cut it, and you are good to go. All right, boom. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section if these are sick or not. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty damn impressed with myself. All right. So yeah. Give this a try, honestly. Tag me on Instagram so I can repost those creations. I'd love to see them. I'd love to see what you guys can do. There is different ways to distress the jeans and like distress the cut bit, and you can like create a little hole in the leg if you want. Just dress it kind of like this. Yeah, let me know if I can make another video on that. Let me know if you'd like to see that. But yeah, fuck yeah. Anyways, you guys, that is gonna be all for me today. I do hope that you enjoyed this video and found that little life hack tip helpful to you. Definitely give this DIY jeans trick a try, and obviously start with a pair of jeans that are not too expensive, just in case you do mess up. But it's pretty straightforward, it's pretty simple. And if you guys do give it a try, tag me on Instagram so I can repost those beautiful creations. I would absolutely love to see them. And of course, as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join my YouTube family. Drop a like on the video and let me know in the comment section if there's any other DIY projects that you would like me to cover. Anyways guys, I will see you in the next one. Have an amazing rest of your day. Peace!